All right, my name is Elizabeth Deneen, and I wanted to share one of the aspects of the student success system that I see myself using in the future, and a good way to get a really good feel for how our students are participating within our course, and specifically for the social learning aspect and how that correlates with the students' success within the class. In an effort to be compliant with FERPA regulations, I have actually just taken screenshots of a select few of my students, and I wanted to share what kind of information I can gather from the sociogram, which is in the social learning portion of the success index. So I would click on a student that I was curious about, and then under the success index, I would click on the social learning tab. And when I click on that, I am given this sociogram, and it is giving me a web of how the student is interacting with other students in the class. So I would be given the student's name, and I would be given that green, orange, or red color depending on how their interaction is. And you could see that these outliers in red here are performing very poorly within the social learning aspect because they are not very connected with other students. So the student's social learning is in the green, and that means that I've got to take a look at other aspects of the class. Why is the student performing poorly in other aspects of the course? And if you take a look at the success index, we can see that it's specifically assessments that are below the bar. And then I would just start looking into where the student is messing up. But what I think that we have learned from this is that sometimes the social learning portion of our class within our discussions is actually what holds our students tied into the class, and it helps them perform better if, say, they are performing poorly within the assessment category. So that's just one example. Another example is of a student that is right smack dab in the middle right here, and we could see that the student is connected with a lot of her peers, and I can see where this red arrow is pointing that she's actually performing very well on the social learning aspect. So these are just two students that I'm taking a look at, but we can start to see how social learning is impacting their grade. Thank you.